Om Namo Venkateshaya. Inaction against Christian employees working at TTD is appalling and disgrace. The August 9th, Executive Officer Shingalji mentioned that strict action will be taken against anybody who is working at TTD. And he also said that any complaint that he receives from anybody, he will investigate and try to see that some action will be taken. If we all remember, last year, August 26th, then Chief Secretary L.V. Subramaniam also announced that he wanted to make sure that non-Hindus should leave the TTD in order to make sure that they would not hurt the feelings of the Hindu sentiments. And he also announced at that time the officials should not hesitate to conduct surprise checks in the houses of employees working under TTD and Endowment Department to ensure that they are not practicing any religion other than Hinduism. So that means they can go and do the checking at their houses to see if they are practicing. So why I am talking about this one today is, it's more than almost 1 year since the Chief Secretary mentioned about it, to see that non-Hindus are removed from the offices. And the Shingalji was the executive officer at that time. And I don't think he has taken any action, but he is keep saying that he will take any action that is necessary to see that the Christians are identified and then removed from the TTD. I don't think he has done one thing for the last 1 year. On December 23rd, 2019, 4 of us went and met Shingalji in his office for almost 1 hour, along with the Assistant Executive Officer Vasant Kumar. So at that time we mentioned that we talked to several TTD employees, especially the ones who are working in the Bird Hospital, and their experiences of working in the hospital. Because there are many Christians in that hospital who are really practicing Christianity, but at the same time, they also demean our gods and goddesses and so many things. So we have written a letter, almost 9-page letter, but as far as the Christian conversion and Christianity is concerned, this is about 2 pages we have submitted to Shingalji to investigate. This is what we have mentioned. These Christians, according to this investigation that we done through at least 5 people, these Christians are making the life of the practicing Hindu employees miserable, depressed, and disheartening. They are insulting the practicing Hindus, demeaning Hinduism, and insulting the images of gods and goddesses. We mentioned to him actually what is going on and how Hindus are facing that demeaning behavior from the Christians. We mentioned also how the Christians are demeaning. These are some of the things that we mentioned to him. The Christians will say, why do you worship that Shila, that stone? Lord Venkateshwara is stone for them, without even mentioning the name of Lord Venkateshwara. Many Christian employees call the Hindus fools to worship the idol without mentioning Lord Venkateshwara's name. They refer Venkateshwara Swami as Saitan. They ridicule them for putting big tilak on their forehead. One of the supervising nurses insults them constantly. Some of the Christian nurses make Hindu nurses sick, mentally, physically, and then they will even threaten them. They are supposed to be attending the puja every Sunday morning, do pradakshina and take prasadam in that hospital. They rarely attend the puja. The Christians rarely attend the puja. If they attend that puja to show their presence, they do not do pradakshina or do not take any prasadam. They do not partake any time, and because it is Saitan food. Prasadam is considered as Saitan food by the Christians. Some of them, of course, got smart and then they just apply small little tilak on their forehead. Some of the nurses' husbands are pastors who build churches. They go to the churches regularly. Some of the Christian nurses talk about Jesus to Hindu patients and emphasize that they will recover soon if they believe in Jesus. They will put the Bible under the pillow of the vulnerable patients. In Devasthanam also, we had similar experiences by some of our Hindu employees, and basically Christians are abusing most of the employees in Devasthanam also. And in Balaji Colony on Tirumala Hills, there is a Balaji Colony. Some of the employees eat non-vegetarian food. It is inexcusable to allow them to eat non-vegetarian food and drink alcohol. During Brahmotsava time, all the employees are given Venkateshwara gold coin wrapped in a box. These Christians take these boxes. They do not open to avoid looking at the face of Lord Venkateshwara. They call the jewelers and sell them even before they leave their offices. Many of the practicing Christians do not have these gold coins in their houses. If they want to do the spot check, that is what they could have done it. They have not done anything for the last 1 year. If they really believe in Lord Balaji, don't you think they would not keep that coin, that gold coin, either in their puja room or in a special place in the house? And also, every employee gets 10 laddus per month at a cost of 5 rupees. And these Christians go buy the prasadam for 5 rupees and sell them at 50 rupees or even higher. We requested Endowment Commissioner and TTD Chairman and Executive Officer to see that all the employees are Hindus, and it is better to go and spot check some of the houses, some of the people who are suspected of Christians. We have mentioned all these things on December 23rd, 2019. We also requested him to appoint a special committee to make sure that these conditions are actually followed and visit these families and identify them. To our knowledge, they have not visited any of the houses. They have not identified even Christians in one way or the other, even though we have given, in fact, not only we asked them to investigate, when he asked if we know any names of the Christians who are working, we have given the names also, about 10 names. At that time, that was in January 2020, we have given him 10 names, the suspected Christians. He has not done anything. What I am trying to tell you is, the Christianity or Christianization is taking place on the hill and in all the hospitals and in the schools. When they say they will take strict action against any complaint that they receive about anybody practicing Christianity, they will take action. We have written a letter, and if anybody is interested, they can go to our website, savetemples.org. We put that letter, 8-page letter. Whatever I'm talking about is only about 2 pages. There are many, many other recommendations that we have made also. So far, we have not received any communication or any answer for them. So the point is, because of this inaction, abrogation of dharma, they are indirectly promoting Christianity in TTD. So it is better we are aware of it. Anybody who is concerned about it, they should keep writing letters to TTD and Endowment Commissioner and Endowment Minister, and to see why they are not taking any action against the practicing Christians. There are many of them. So I thought I will mention that one. Namaste.